Yo, this is Christian. Today I want to talk about problem solving and more specifically problem solving for beginner developers. And this is an important subject because literally you are getting paid to solve problems, and if you cannot solve problems, then you won't get paid, you won't get hired, and you won't be able to work in the tech industry, you won't be able to work remotely, make more money, whatever your aspirations are. And problem solving, it's super important, and sometimes, actually not sometimes, most of the times people confuse it, and they believe that there is like a trick to learn problem solving. And people might also believe that you can become better at problem solving every single day, which isn't quite true. The reason why it's not true is because problem solving is not a linear learning. It doesn't have a linear learning curve, right? It doesn't go like this, but it's more like this. It's exponential, like a hockey stick, right? So what does that mean for you is the fact that there might be weeks where you don't make any progress with problem solving. But what you have to understand is that you have to get more exposure to the same problem multiple times, and you should attack the same problem from different angles until you understand exactly how to work with arrays, or how to work with strings, or how to work with, I don't know, React components, how to work with Redux, how to work with TypeScript, how to work with Node, how to work with a database. So the more you work with the same thing, in time, you'll become better at that thing, and that's called experience. And that's what most people are lacking, right? When they go to a bootcamp, or when they are learning code from coding courses, they get exposure to this technology, that technology, that technology, but they don't get to do the same thing over and over and over again because they don't know what to work on. And that's why they can't build big projects. You would, like most of my students, when they get into the program, they say, hey, this is boring actually. We are not learning that many things. That's what they think. Because I'm a big advocate of the 20-80 principle, right? You don't need to know everything, you just need to know the 20% that's giving you the 80% of the results. And when you do that, you start to build big things, complex things, just with a few concepts here and there. But what's happening is that your problem solving abilities are going up because you are getting exposed to the same problem over and over and over again, and then you are able to anticipate things, you are able to come up with solutions faster, you are able to be more efficient with your time, with your code, and that will translate to you being able to be more useful to a company, right? And sorry, it's the first time when I'm trying to film with my phone like this. And yeah, this is like the rant that I have today. I wanted to share with you this idea. I was thinking about it while I was having a walk in the park for my lunch. And keep this in mind, like problem solving takes time. It takes maybe 6 months to become relatively good at front-end development, right? And it takes maybe 1 or 2 years to become relatively good at full-stack development, right? Until you need time to understand how to operate the front end, how to operate the back end, and how to operate both of them together. All right, and I'm a bit disappointed to see how bootcamps are promising students that they can become full stack devs in just 3 months, and they are charging 12, 20, 30 grand, I don't know, for a training that doesn't work and it's not long enough. So if you are someone that maybe you have finished a bootcamp and you are unsatisfied with the results that you got, maybe you want to go to a bootcamp, or maybe you are just doing online courses and you are tired of wasting your time, because time is the only resource that we cannot get back, right? Me and you and Jeff Bezos, we have both the same amount of time. Like it's the equalizer between all human beings. So if you're tired of wasting your time doing things that don't work, and you want to build applications so you can become a front-end developer, so you can work remotely, so you can make more money, so you can get some of your time back, right? Then what you have to do, you have to apply for a free consultation call. There is a link somewhere here in the description. Apply for the free consultation call, and I'm gonna show you what you have to do to get really good at code really fast. So until next time, cheers.